Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I will show you how to locate if you are recording on your Zoom and then you accidentally close the folder and then you couldn't find anywhere where the video goes. Here how to do it. You just go to your meeting and then as you can see this is the option of shield with green check. You just click this one and then you can click these settings. Okay, you will redirect into this kind of window, and then as you can see this is the option of recording, and then here are the location of your recording files. Around here you can click this open. It will open for me, as I am a Windows user, it will open like this. This is the the recording I've done in the past, and then you can click on the folder. This is the recording. Normally it's separated with two kind of files, the M4A and MP4. Actually, I don't understand what is M4A. I never use it. So the MP4 is already including your voice, and I mean your sound and your screen of meeting. Okay, that's it guys. A very simple tutorial. I hope it's helpful for you. If it's, please subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.